Hey everyone, you already saw how string works. Now I'm going to show you how integer and floating number works. So integer is basically all the numbers that is rounded, like 10, 20, 25, 100. So suppose you want to print something like that. So let's write number 1 equal to 100. Let's print this one. So if I just type print, then number 1, keep it inside and run the test. So you can see over here, this is showing me 100. So same thing goes for the floating value. Floating value is basically all the numbers which has a decimal in it. So suppose I want to write 10.2. So the way I can do that, I can just write print, then 10.2, which is number 2, and voila, let's run the test. So you can see 100 over here, 10.2 over here. Now, if I want to use this in a sentence, so let's write print, and let's write my age is 100. So the way you can do that is my age is, then you can do concatenation method, and let's write 100. And if I just hit on run the test, you can see this is showing me an error that this is a type error, can only concatenate string, not integer. So this cannot concatenate integer, so I need to convert this into a string. So in order to do that, you can just wrap it by str and paste it over here. So this will act as a string right now. So if I just hit on run test, you can see my age is 100. So that is basically integer and string value for you. No, integer and floating value for you. I guess the concept is clear now. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.